Sister, come and sit.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you want after food?
Yes, I do.
Where are you from?
I'm from office. It's break time.
Do you look well?
I'm not feeling well.
It's better you go to home first.
It doesn't matter. I wanna still what to do.
Please put on the cigarette now. Oh yes, yes, yes. Sorry.
I'm going first. I'm about to go to work. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Have you heard of this yet?
Not yet.
Why are you reading a mask, Yunda?
Yes, I'm coughing.
Why don't you go to the doctor?
I think I will go to the doctor later.
I'm really disturbed. Yes, disturbed. It makes me not focus on my work. Let's go. Let's go.
How many days have you been coughing?
I think it was from today ago.
Why didn't you ask for work to go to the doctor?
I think I didn't hear.
You to see the doctor.
No, I do not.
If you don't get the doctor, it will get worse and many people will be disturbed.
Yes, I will do it. Let's go.
What do you need?
I want to see the bus.
Please come in.
Ma'am, I wanna ask your permission to see a doctor.
What's wrong with you, Yunda?
I have cough, ma'am. It's been 2 days.
I will accompany you, Milan.
Okay, I will give you Yunda permission to take you to hospital for a checkup.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you for giving us permission.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Unwahas Hospital. Can I help you?
Yes, I wanna see a doctor.
Which doctor do you want to see?
Ahmad Khoirudin's doctor.
Oh, wait.
Yunda.
Okay. I will make the queue question for you. This is the queue numbers. Please wait the front of the rooms. Dr. Ahmad, Dr. Ahmad. The doctor assistant can call you later.
Okay, thank you.
Doctor is the next patient and this is the patient data.
Okay, thank you. I will. What is the complaint?
I have cough and I feel better.
When did you been coughing?
It was 2 days ago.
I will check.
Look, here are the results of the check.
Okay, I will see.
You have enough weight like caused by bacteria, the tract, or respiratory tract. You should drink more water, get enough sleep, reduce food only, and exercise.
Okay, doctor.
I will write prescription for you.
Yes.
This prescription can you be read in the manually pharmacy.
Thank you, doctor. Yes, I am. Medicine is out and the price is 180,000. Do you want to take it out? Yes, I want to take it out. Please pay on the application. Yes, I want to pay. Excuse me, I want to pay prescription for Dr. Ahmad.
Okay, let me see first.
Okay.
Okay, so the total is 180,000.
Okay, this is ready.
Okay, 200,000 in change for 20,000, right?
Okay.
Please give this receipt to the assistant pharmacist.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have made the payment.
Well, please wait. I will prepare the medicine.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have a prescription from my doctor.
Okay, I will do it. Medicine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Patient name is Yunda. I will hand it over along with the drug information.
Okay.
This is a medication for fever taken 3 times 1 after meals. This is for the expectorant to be taken 3 times 1 after eating. This is for the anti-allergic to be taken 3 times 1 after eating. This is for the anti-inflammatory to be taken 3 times 1 after eating. This is the antibiotic to be taken 3 times 1 after eating. Finish it even though there are no symptoms.
Why do you have the finish the antibiotic even though the symptom is cured?
Because
I will call the Putra infection. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching.
See you.